Big long swim, paddle, here, loving it. I don't think my anchor's down. We're trying to figure that out, but we're gonna go in, connect up here real soon. See you on the bottom. What a trip. We ended up on the buoy line. That's Hall of Fame. We came down and down and down. We drifted so far north and then just got a killer amount of fish. Let's see if I can get this bag up here. It's just ridiculous. Look at this. This is crazy. So good day, and I think there's an octopus. Yeah, there's an octopus in here too. So we'll figure out what that's all about.